The first calculation is used to tell you what the first value in your table is. In this case, the first value is 725,000, and it belongs to West. The first calculation can be used to calculate what percentage each value is of the first value. So in this case, I can see that 725,000 is 100% of 725,000. 678,000 is 93% of the first value of 725,000. Let's take a look at how to do that in Tableau. I have a bar chart built of sales by region. The first value is West, which is 725,000. Let's first take a look at how to calculate that value. The calculation is simply going to be first, with two closed parentheses. And let's call it first. Click apply, and let's drag that onto label. So this bar is 0, this bar is -1, this bar is -2. It's counting backwards from left to right. I can edit this calculation and say if first equals 0, so this bar right here, then give me sum of sales, and end that. All table calculations are aggregates, so anything else you use in the view will need to be aggregated. Let's click apply, and you'll see that for the first bar I get 725,000. For the rest of them I don't get anything because they are not first. This bar is -1, this bar is -2. Let's edit first again and write a window sum around it. Window sum of that first value. Click apply. Okay. And you'll see that 725,000 is now available for every single record. Let's edit the calculation one more time and simply take the sum of sales and divide by that first value. That's going to give us a percentage. We can change it to a percentage by changing the format to a percentage. So 501,000 is 69% of 725. And that's how you use the first calculation in Tableau.